Hey there, ever heard of ChatGPT? Well, it's like having a super smart friend who's always ready to chat and help you out. But how does it work? Let's dive in. ChatGPT is an AI language model created by OpenAI. Think of it as a really good guesser of words. Imagine you're playing a game where you need to finish sentences, and ChatGPT is the best player around. You give it a prompt, and it predicts what comes next, just like a human would. So how does it talk like a human? It's all thanks to something called training. Picture a giant library full of books, articles, and conversations. ChatGPT read through all of that. Well, not exactly read, but it analyzed tons of text to learn patterns and connections between words. It's like teaching a child by showing them countless examples. Now here's where it gets interesting. ChatGPT doesn't know anything specific about you, but it can generate responses based on the context you provide. It's like having a chat with someone who perfectly understands the flow of conversation. Let's see it in action. Say you need help writing a story. You give ChatGPT your ideas and voila, it helps you craft amazing dialogues and plots. Or maybe you're stuck on a coding problem. ChatGPT can guide you through complex programming languages and debugging, and if you're curious about a topic, it can explain concepts in a clear and friendly way. In a nutshell, ChatGPT is a fantastic tool for boosting creativity, learning, and productivity. It's like having a smart friend who's always there to lend a hand. And the best part, it keeps getting better with every update. So next time you need a helping hand or some fresh ideas, give ChatGPT a try. You might just be amazed at what it can do. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and informative content. See you next time. You next.